गुड मॉर्निंग मंडे स्टूडेंट्स तपन से एडवांस केमिस्ट्री को तुम स्वागत करुच्ची। आज आम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नवा अल्डिहाइड चैप्टर मतलब मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन। मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Okay. The first method of preparation is one from acid chloride. Okay, do you know acid chloride? The acid chloride undergoes reduction. Acid chloride undergoes reduction in the presence of the palladium supported over barium sulfate in xylene medium. Xylene dot sulfate to dissolve. Two forms. This one is set down H so far RC double bond O H plus HC. Okay, that is aldehyde. The example R contain CH3 C double bond O Cl, that is acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride undergoes reduction in the presence of palladium supported over barium sulfate in xylene medium to form CH3 C double bond O H plus Hc, that is acetyl. Okay. But formaldehyde cannot be prepared by this method because you take formyl chloride is unstable. Formyl chloride is an unstable product at room temperature. So formaldehyde cannot be prepared by this method. Also, ketone cannot be prepared by this catalyst. Okay, any aldehyde can be prepared by this method except formaldehyde. Any acid undergoes reduction to gives alcohol, but supported by barium sulfate contains sulfur. Here barium sulfate contains sulfur. This is poisonous. The compound से कौन करबो deactivated करतो further reduction होगा को दबो से जो हम यूज करछे palladium supported over barium sulfate, that is poisonous. Okay, and how can you prepare ketone? You take 2 molecules of acid chloride treated with a suitable reagent, that is dialkyl cadmium to form it the Cl CdCl to पड़ेगा 2 molecules of ketone plus CdCl, that is ketone. Okay, when ketone can prepare from acid chloride, the acid chloride is treated with dialkyl cadmium to gives ketone plus cadmium chloride. It what is Cl attached. Okay, take one example. You take acetyl chloride, 2 molecules of acetyl chloride is treated with dimethyl cadmium to form 2 molecules of acetone plus CdCl. This compound name is acetone. This is the preparation of aldehyde and ketone from acid chloride. This reaction, only this reaction is called as Rosen-Morse reduction. Very important name reaction, that is called Rosen-Morse reduction. Okay, clear? And out. Next, second method of preparation. Second method of preparation is from alkyl cyanide. From alkyl cyanide, or that is Grignard's reagent. You take RMGX, and Grignard's reagent is treated with hydrogen cyanide. That is written above from Grignard's reagent. From Grignard's reagent. When Grignard's reagent is treated with hydrogen cyanide, HC=N. Metal positive charge due to loss of electron. This alkyl group is nucleophile. Any protein that can go, a hydrogen carbon attack. This carbon content 5 valency, this carbon is better. So for a adduct product, N minus is minus of MgX. Okay, we can hydrolysis in acidic medium. After that, hydrolysis H2 देगा. This bond is breakdown OH H, and this bond is breakdown OH H. Here also this bond is breakdown H OH. 2 for MgOH X MgOHX. Here also NH3, NH3 and H OH OHR is unstable, which are hitting strongly. 2 for this water is removed. 2 for RC double bond OH, that is aldehyde. Okay. Similarly, take one example: CH3 NgCl is treated with HCl. 2 for 25 sulfur H, that means CH3 double bond A MgCl. We can hydrolysis in acidic medium. 2 for acetaldehyde plus MgOH Cl plus NH plus NH. Okay, this compound is acetaldehyde. And how can you prepare ketone from Grignard's reagent? You take RMGX. When alkyl magnesium halide is treated with alkyl cyanide. 2 for this metal part is positive, this alkyl group is neutral. Neutral attack this carbon contains 5 valence and this bond is breakdown. So for double bond N minus okay from MgX. Fusion hydrolysis in acidic medium, this bond also breakdown HOH. This one also breakdown OHH. Here also this one is breakdown OHH. Okay. Now compare now OH OH. Okay, हमारा OH रख दो. Compare OH OH. This is our stable. MG OHH X triple A. Then hit the stable. This OHH water to for acid double OR. That is ketone. Okay. That is ketone. This is the preparation of ketone. This is the preparation of alcohol. Okay. Same thing. हम जो एग्जांपल देखिबा हम जो मिथाइल साइनाइड ketone ये तो CH में है इलेक्ट्रॉन को CH ले लो here we have CH3 here also it is